Jade, and I'm here to introduce you a book called Romeo and Juliet. And most people say, oh, that's a romance story, but it's very tragic. And coincidentally, today's Valentine's Day, so I would want to talk about this book. Its author is called Tia Stilton, and the main characters are called Juliet and Romeo. And I would like to talk about the scene from Act 1, Scene 5, about Romeo and Juliet falling in love. It's called a montage in the Capulet's house. And when they fall in love, it's very tender and sweet. And when Juliet later finds out from her nurse that Romeo, the person she met, was a montague, she becomes very shocked. And I think it's very heartbroken that she now finds that her lover is a rival from her family's enemies. And it's very bittersweet. And in the end, about how tragic it is. And this is my book that I'm introducing to you. Thank you for listening.